Hi, my dear viewers. How are you all today? I'm in purple and black. Purple is one of my morning colors because I'm not really much comfortable with all black outfit. So I hope people will understand that I may not be wearing full black. They might see me wearing maybe blue, gray, moss green, white, black and white, um, subtle colors. So I hope you will understand, especially my in-laws, because I have a phobia when I wear full black. So this is a compliment of my balai, Evelyn Uy. Thanks again, Evelyn, and happy birthday to you today. It's her birthday today. Also, Lenny Sablan, niece of Pabling, and my former office mate, Celia Cantos Maestrado. More birthdays. Healthy, happy, abundant. Hope to see ya in the Philippines, Celia. Happy New Year also to you all. Bye for now. Enjoy your day and have a safe sleep tonight. God bless. Love you. Bye.